You can see the whole backyard again. It looks phenomenal as far as grass. You know, and you can kind of see as I run my, or at least I can kind of see, I don't know if you can see on camera, you know, you can kind of tell where the thinner, you know, standing up a little bit more AGB seed. And I don't know if it's thicker in here because maybe it exists with the Bermuda better or worse. Again, I don't really know. I just know it looks really good right now. I just don't. Okay, we're doing some foliar applications here. We got some Green Pop 1621-2 from Next Products. I've never actually sprayed phosphorus or starter fertilizer before. I've always just done granulars. So this is kind of a first-time product that I got. Figured I'd give it a try here. We're also going to drop some humic. I have a little bit left over here in this tank, and so I figured why not just throw that into the tank and kind of use it up and help out with the soil a little bit. And then we're going to throw a really light application of micro green on there just to get some micros in there as well. And then last product we're going to put here is we're going to do some wetting agent. I got this wetting agent from my buddy Greg, who was at the time the grass guy kind of for the San Francisco Giants when I was there. Built a really good relationship with him. I'm going to put the link to this product on here. He sent me this, and so if you're interested in some wetting agents, check him out. He's really good and has really, really good products. So. Alright guys, so I just wanted to take a second and just kind of recap kind of what's going on here. I showed you guys the yard at 1 week and it looked really good, but most of that was Bermuda and it was kind of choking out the Kentucky bluegrass, and so I was trying to be patient as long as I could. I put a couple mows on it. I tried to kind of like just wait and be patient, and I finally just gave up and I ripped it out, scalped everything out here, and just decided we got to do this right. And so scalped it down, put a double dose of PGR on there just to kind of ding that Bermuda and start it over from scratch.
All right, so this is a 1/2 inch over here, and this is a scalp over here. I really wish... All right, we're doing this right this time. We are definitely going to kill this Bermuda. Not kill this Bermuda, we're going to ding this Bermuda down good. Sorry for the upside down bag. That's lateral DG, which is a wetting agent that helps move water through. We're supposed to do this at up to 5 pounds per thousand, so that's about 3.5 to almost 4 pounds for my backyard. And we're going to apply that on there before we put down some seed, just to help with some water efficiency.